Hi, welcome to my channel and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I bring a topic about what does a maritime lawyer do? Maritime Law PLLC attorney Adam Dates was recently featured in the Law Arena legal blog to answer some questions. What does a maritime lawyer do? Attorney Dates explained that a maritime lawyer, sometimes called an admiralty attorney, handles legal issues under maritime law. However, maritime law is vast and maritime lawyers often function differently from other less specialized lawyers. Attorney Dates went on to paint a broad brush picture of various types of maritime cases and the common admiralty laws that apply. He also made helpful suggestions on when it may be appropriate to contact a maritime lawyer and offered tips on what to look for in a maritime law firm. Frequently asked questions for maritime personal injury attorneys. While Attorney Dates has extensive experience in a wide range of maritime legal issues, Mariner Law PLLC specializes in maritime personal injury and wrongful death matters. The firm exclusively represents victims of negligence on the waters. This includes injured offshore workers, shoreside employees, and also pleasure boaters. In addition to the issues covered by Law Arena injured, mariners also tend to ask the following. The first out, what are my rights after being injured on the job? When a mariner or longshoreman is injured or tragically killed on the job, the following may be implicated. Maintenance and Cure Jones Act, General Maritime Law and Seaworthiness, Maritime Wrongful Death, and then Death on the High Seas Act. Then Longshore and Harbor Workers Compensation Act, and then Seamen's Protection Act. And the next is Seamen's Manslaughter Statute, Limitation of Liability Act. And then some of these laws provide rights and also remedies to injured mariners or their surviving family members. Others provide protection to vessel owners, but all of these laws require an experienced hand to navigate. What are some best practices after maritime injury? If you or a family member suffered a maritime injury, there is some tips to get started. Report any injury to your supervisor, the captain, and or the vessel owner as soon as possible. Sometimes you may not immediately know that you were injured, so be sure to report any symptoms as soon as you begin to experience them. And then go to the doctor and get medical treatment. Your health should always be your first priority. Talk to your doctor about all your symptoms and how they relate to your workplace injury. Do not minimize your pain or act though. Then follow your doctor's instruction to the letter. Be kind and respectful to doctors and their staffs. Always show up to appointments on time and follow up as the doctor instructs. If you are a Jones Act seaman, you may be entitled to maintenance and cure to pay for some of your living expenses and your medical care. Call a maritime attorney to learn more. You may be asked to fill out an incident report for the vessel owner, your employer, and or the United States Coast Guard if you need emergency medical attention. The report can wait. Then, when you do fill it out, be sure that you are throughout honest about what caused your injury. Don't feel that you should downplay any contributing factors in an effort to rush or minimize what happened. And always ask for a copy of anything you write. If you are asked to sign anything then you don't understand, contact a lawyer immediately and be especially suspicious of any documents labeled release or settlement. Keep copies of everything, including your crew contact, medical records, pay stubs, and also correspondence about your claim. Also, be sure to hang on to photos, text messages, and emails that are even remotely relevant. You may be contacted by an attorney or an insurance adjuster to talk about what happened. These individuals typically work for your employer and or their insurance company. They are usually trying to build a case against you to pay as little as possible. Do not speak with them before you talk to a maritime lawyer. Do not let them take a recorded interview or written statement. Some clever insurance companies may offer money to settle your claim before you are fully recovered or before you contact an attorney. It is hard for non-lawyers to know what they are entitled to under admiralty law. So contacting an attorney before settling is always advisable. Initial consultation with a maritime attorney at Mariner Law PLLC is free. Maritime law is special and not every attorney has the knowledge and experience to handle mariner injuries. Many maritime laws are in place to help, but the only way to know what assistance is available is to consult an admiralty attorney. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.